Welcome! In front of me I have Blackview R3 Max watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the glorified application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Now, in the app we need to tap on device icon, and on the device page you should see your R3 Max watch right here. Now scroll down, find the unpair button and tap on it. Then tap on I know, then tap on yes. Now close the app, open the settings on your iPhone, then tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see R3 Max on the list of devices. Tap on it, or rather on the info icon next to it, then tap on forget this device, and tap on forget this device. And then close the settings. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.